guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'll be doing this hijab tutorial, this hijab style that I'm wearing. I call it my turban, but not a turban hijab style because it kind of has that turban-y effect, but still with a bit of full coverage because I don't show my neck when I tie my hijab. So if you want to see this look, stay tuned. Hey guys, so to start this hijab tutorial, I put on my cap and I have something covering my neck, just a little bit of neck coverage because I don't want my neck to show as I'm doing this tutorial. So I have a pashmina that I have. So I'm going to use one side short and one side long. So start, I'm just going to fold it a little bit, like about 1.5 inches. And then I'm going to take a pin and pin that behind. You know, I usually I never try to wear a turban type hijab because I don't think that would look good on me, and I find it defeats the purpose of hijab. I mean, if some people like it, fine, that's up to you. I'm not getting into that. And I'm going to tie I'm going to pin this part here that flaps in your wind. I call them ears. So I'm just going to pin that down as well with a safety pin. Stuff. People always ask me, you don't get stuff in a pin in your hijab? Yes, I do. Of course I do. And so I have the short side and I have this long side. So what I want to do, I want to take this short side, make sure it's a bit even. I'm going to take this short side and bring it here. You see how I do? Right, I'm just bringing it like this, like so, across your hijab, in the back. And you can either pin it or tuck it into your hijab. I prefer to pin it because then I know it won't slip out during the day. So just pin and tuck. Right. So we have that kind of like that turban-y type look going on in front there. And then I just take this part of the hijab, which is the longer part, stick a safety pin right here at the side to cover my neck, because I don't usually pin this with this on and so taking the longer part, I'm just going to carry it over. With the righteous sisters, why you acting like the headscarf? Was it worn by the Jews and Christians? Cover girls got dreams with no limit. That's why empty hash done made it in the Olympics. And she never in the line. Women in the prophet's days, even fought wars. She's driving, she that is it. You guys really like this look? I mean, I used to wear this look everywhere I went. Like for a while, like everywhere. But then, I got a bit tired of it, tired of the look, so I just opted for my new look that I wear all the time now. But this, I think I may go back to this. This is really cute. This is nice. So that is my turban, not a turban type hijab look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. It was kind of quick. I just wanted to do a quick hijab style for you guys this week. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I see you guys in my next video.